Good afternoon, guys. Here is the news of the day. We have a special interview to make the very important information of the atom. Probably most you will taking in something boring, but kind of that are fun and interesting to know. And this case, I will talking about an atom that discovered in around 19th and 20th century in 1987 and exploring in 1904. Okay, I don't want to give too much cloud, so let's start. Conical.
Hi guys, today we're going to talk about an atomic model, but specifically about one that made a great contribution, the one that discovered one of the subatomic particles and formed the basis of its study. But well, leaving all the mystery behind, we're going to talk about the Thomson model, or mostly known as the plum pudding model. But we're going to make this better, because we have a special guest for you.
Hi, at the moment I don't know where am I, but I'm happy to explain part of my studies that I have been doing.
Well, the dynamic is that I'm going to make some questions, and you will answer them, like an interview. But well, let's start. Jim Thomson, could you give us a brief description about yourself?
Well, I was born on December 18, 1854 in England. I did my major in mathematics and arts. I'm a professor in physics in Cavendish, and now I just discovered something important about the atom.
So, what is the most important thing that you just discovered in your studies?
Practically, the electron. That is a subatomic particle. Because you know, is subatomic.
And how did you come to know that?
Started thinking about doing an experiment related to the behavior of the cathodes of light, and this was carried out in a vacuum tube, so that it would be similar to the behavior of the radiation in relation to the speed of light. But at the beginning I had this machine. But not having concrete answers, I created mine, and it turned out like this. In short words, it consisted of a tube with the best vacuum I could give it. There were two electrodes, and the two created a circuit. One was positively charged, and the other negatively. Then the tube was heated and that created a flow of electricity, which could be seen if certain substances were placed. The rays crossed and ended on the other side of the tube. I realized that with electric and magnetic charges placed in their path the cathodes changed direction. I tried the experiment with several elements, and in all my calculations their deviation related to charge, mass, and acceleration were the same. So I realized the existence of something smaller than the atom, something with a negative charge.
And what was your final proposal?
Well, practically something equal to a plum pudding. The bread would be the cloud of positive charge and the electrons would be the raisins.
And finally, how can you explain to us, in the case of your atomic model, how the positive charge cloud could stay held in that composition? There are no repulsive forces?
Okay. So that's it. Thanks for your attention.